Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure LinkedIn badge settings using Credly for visibility step by step clearly. To configure LinkedIn badge settings using Credly for visibility, begin by logging into your Credly account. Once logged in, locate the Manage tab on the main dashboard. Click on Manage to access your credentials. Find the credential you wish to configure for LinkedIn. Click on the credential to open its details. Look for the option labeled Settings or Sharing Settings. Select the Sharing Settings option to adjust your visibility preferences. In the Sharing Settings, you will see options for LinkedIn integration. Enable the option to share your credential on LinkedIn. Next, you may customize how your badge appears on your LinkedIn profile. Decide whether to include a description or any additional details. Once satisfied with your settings, click on the Save or Apply button. Now, navigate to your LinkedIn profile. On your LinkedIn profile, scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section. Click on the plus Add button to add a new certification. Select Credly from the options available to import your badge. Follow the prompts to connect your Credly account with LinkedIn. After connecting, select the badge you configured for visibility. Review the import settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click Save to add the badge to your LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn badge settings are now configured for optimal visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.